How you done? Daddy, daddy.
Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Making each other laugh, young to mean. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Things that elevate relationship. Always on time, every day Valentine, anytime no other time, loyal never slide.
Put your attention, love no cheat. Loving and caring never increase. Some of them not know true love, I do it. That the girl know that me too sweet, that me too sweet, that me too sweet.
Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Making each other laugh, young to mean. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Active care, telling the truth. Owning mistake, feeling like a best friend. Make each other change, let it other change. Feeling safe to be vulnerable. Being open about what you need. Apologize when it's appropriate. Making time to simple relax. Together trying to see each other. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Making each other laugh, young to mean. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships. Things that elevates relationships, tandana, relationships.